Mundu muge ndari mihere yohoro niguo Gikuyu oigire reke tunyitanire na mwanake wetagwo Martin Kariuki agiturehera irebeta riake ritagwo kuvunjika kwa miwani riria riraria na njira ya thimo ruragiria kwaria uhoro wa ungumania uria ungumania uthukitie bururi witu na uria ungumania uragiria uthii wa nambere wa bururi.
Mane mo mohoro maitu ma hwaini wo muthi kukwambiriria na matemo mwaki munene guthuturuka Sodoma na Gomora Nicodemus ukihama kiama kioregani na kuingira kiama kiria kiratawara kia Jesu methako Daudi kugoithia Goliathi maya na mangĩ turamurehera thutha wa ndumiriri ino ya wonjoria ukiuma na kichwa kikiendelea kuuma na zaidi. Huu ndio wakati wa kuita Jehova Rafa. Wendete thukuru iriku? Thukuru ya MWINJOYO irehete maundu meru wetha taranda nyingi na gutire marihi uko tucerere gwitu kwa Inooro nikuo turamuruta guthaka mithako ino. Miaka 38 bara ndiri yathira andu kurua siasa nyingi maitwo ta mutungika inegene ta ikuneko igithondekwo kuria njua kali tukahia nginya ri gihaisha kirima kuria Naivasha itana kinya gatagati miwani yakwa ikigwa no muthweri oigire kuteleza sio kuanguka, yani kuteretha ti kugwa githecwo ni muigua. Je, ni ndathire na mbere kuona talanta iria cia riganirwo riu itikuriganirwo ringi. Turarua niki tukahia nginya ri wendo wa mbere uria twarutirwo ni Ngai wathire ku ungumania ukiingira bururi-ini witu ugitunina biu. Januari panapo moshi pana moto. Githie na mbere na thabari yakwa na ndiakuire ngoro ndirakuria atiriri tarora kabira ici igiri irarua niki githie ngiariria muiretu munjaruo wanyendagiria thamaki iuso samaki pesadi miachiel pierario atigana na 20 gukunengera igana ria 20 county ya Kiambu no imete county ya Siaya. Wendo ucio ukirite wendo rikungi ni umuthi uyu ingithie gucinira mbembe kuria Githumo ri nimekuhura kana nimekunyenda tutigei bara anene aitu tumucagure tuthie na mbere na wendo ucio ungumania ngomete thi giukira tikureo ni kuhuta tukahia nginya ri ni riua riri ngiona andu mabangite raini ngimarumirira thutha ngibanga raini taranda itu yoka kuokorewo ni MWINJOYO Inooro TV kuria itaranta itu inyue thirikai tigai kuhura andu a umemerekia tondu ni mokite gututeithia. Nderirikana bururi wa kuria Misiri muthaki umwe mumwererekia witagwo Mohamed akiohwo ni Abdel Nasir mahei thayo mumahe kihoto nigetha matuhunjerie na matufundithie. Wanwathi ga Yesu wanwathi chamongima wanwathi ga Yesu wanwathi chamongima imama malidongo wanwathi ga Yesu wanwathi chamongima wanwathi ga Yesu wanwathi ga Yesu wanwathi chamongima.
Kirimu kingiohega uria mugi akoragwo haceke nayo thirikari ikaheana githomo gia tuhu nigetha andu magie na ugi. Reke tunyitanire na thukuru wa muthingi wa Limuru model aria maraturehera irebeta rigwitwo Munyongoro riria rirahinyiriria bata wa githomo.
Baba unijaze roho niweze kumshinda shetani. Baba unijaze roho niweze kumshinda shetani. Welcome to the session of story time. My fellow people, guests, invited guests, and I'm forgetting an invited guest. Like, they know themselves. Baba unijaze roho niweze kumshinda shetani. Baba unijaze roho niweze kumshinda shetani. Munyongoro. Baba unijaze roho niweze kumshinda shetani. Baba unijaze roho niweze kumshinda shetani. Our story was born and brought up in Kenya village. In this village, a boy by the name Monyongoro lived here. People talk about lazy people. Hey, Monyongoro was lazy than laziness itself. Too lazy to swallow his own saliva. Too lazy to even say presents. When he once attended the Sunday school, don't be surprised to hear that with a free primary education, Monyongoro had a forest of beards on his cheek. Do you know why? He repeated class done several times, waiting for free laptops. Wah! Monyongoro constantly took tea from the staff room. When asked why, he claimed that he was comfortable, taking meals with his headmate teachers and now people outside. In church, he only attended during Christmas and only when there were celebrations like... When he was asked a biblical question, he disappeared. Shh! Hey! In school, when he was asked to name 3 types of coffee, he simply stood up and said, Coffee Anan, Coffee Olomide, and Kideras coffee. Hey! During exams, he hid small papers with formulas, yani MCA, Kenya Cheating Association, in serious areas that I can say before this honorable audience. He then copied the answers, but in that Kazibure Matopeni village school. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, Monyongoro moved from class to class using the MCA. But if you reported him, he could slap you until he could sing. Naona manyunyu manyunyu manyunyu, oh, naona manyunyu manyunyu manyunyu. Manyunyu, oh, manyunyu ya nanyunyika, naona manyunyu manyunyu manyunyu, oh. Guy Papa, more than to telling the truth about his bad behavior. But Monyongoro sang rudely. Kwenda, 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 kwenda. Ah, kwenda. Monyongoro one day sneaked into the church when the church members had closed their eyes to pray and stole all the offering. When the church elders wanted to teach in the biblical truth so that they will be set free, he took a nyauno and chased them away. Walalomaye. When Monyongoro was not a biblical question, when he was once asked a simple oral question, but the church elder Pastor Mokovu like, name one book found in the Bible. Monyongoro simply stood up and said, Jesus, do you know why? He said Jesus is the answer. With little knowledge he had obtained from his primary education, he got E for elephant. Monyongoro stole a certificate and branded himself.
Na hau niho twatirihira tabarira itu ya muthe ya MWINJOYO. Nie njitagwo Jambi Wanjaũ
na nie njitagwo Biwa Mbui mwanake wa cucu. Reke andu mathome kaundu niguo tugie na ugi.
The spiritual village herbalist. Walalomaye. Monyongoro was not very absent in church matters. He would be seen following direct opposite directions on Sundays. Walalomaye. One day his parents fell sick, claiming to be the best village doctor. He walked followed by villagers and church members who wanted to see how the educated son would deal with this. Salale, he took a syringe, a size of a screwdriver, and injected his mother with the wrong medicine. But his father on the other side had a small fracture on his left leg. But Monyongoro took a panga and amputated the wrong leg. Safiri salama, salimu malana, tutaonana baadaye. Oh, nakam, mpenda tabasamu, tutaonana baadaye. Oh. Mayo, Guy Fafa, more than his father cried in pain, so was his mother. As we are narrating now, we are from the burial of his parents. Ladies and gentlemen, Monyongoro is now at Akili Tupu, day and night maximum prison. Thanks to God, the government has allowed education in the prison. Monyongoro is now 2017 year candidate. Join us as we take this success card to Monyongoro at Akili Tupu, day and night maximum prison. Thank you.